In front of me is HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and let me show you how to speed up the following device. So at first, locate and open Optimizer. This is a default app, so you definitely have it on your phone. And then this is the main panel. And then just tap on Optimize if it's accessible. As you can see, my phone is in perfect condition. However, once it is less than 100% good, you will have this Optimize bar active, and you will be able to smoothly tap on it to perform the general optimization. Then you can open Cleanup. And here you can free up some space by removing, for example, junk files. To do it, just tap on Cleanup. And as you can see, it has been already done. Then you can also perform a virus scan to check if there are any viruses. As you can see, this device, this HUAWEI is secure. But if you do have some virus, then by removing it, you will also speed up your phone. And the last step that you can perform is to tap on this square icon. Here you've got all apps that are currently active. And once you want to turn them all off, just tap on bin icon. And as you can see, your device is now in optimal condition. So this is it. This is how you can speed up your phone. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.